Hello Facebook ads people, a very short video. I hope that I'm going to make it short because I'm always saying that it's going to be short, but it's not.
Flashback.
Now, I'm going to close this video fast because I told you that it's going to be a short video, but it is not, again.
End of flashback.
So, this is a very simple video. I would like to show you, there are a lot of discussions about using other Facebook pages to run your ads or sharing audiences between ad accounts. Before showing you this, I would like to tell you that whenever I use this, it failed miserably, okay? Why am I showing it to you? Just to tell you that it failed miserably, and also because I would like at least to see someone that could tell me that, hey, I used this and it actually worked. So, what's the process? We're going to share some audiences and lookalikes, let's say from one ad account that we have a trained pixel, and then we have a second business or whatever, or we're having one business that's on the similar niche. For example, we have a Christian brand and we know another brand, and we're going to share an audience to the other brand. There was one guy that had a brand which was all about nurses, and he had a friend who wanted to start the same business. So we started and we set between their ad accounts, custom audiences, lookalikes and stuff. They were having similar products and stuff, but it didn't work. Okay. Another situation, I'm having a brand which is a Christian brand, and it started a second store, which was other products again on the Christian niche. We shared the pixel information, the custom audiences, the lookalikes and stuff to the new pixel. It didn't work. So let me show you the process, and you can do it as you like. So first of all, you will come to your audiences here. You will go on website here, next, and you can create any audience by picking your good pixel, purchase event, for example, 180 days, and you're going to create this. After you're going to create it, you're going to take the audience, let's say that we take this one, and you're going to create a lookalike, okay, which is going to be United States, for example, and we're going to have a 10% lookalike, okay? So you're going to create it, and when you're going to have it, you are going to click here, and you're going to click on this one here, share, and you're going to share if you have it, if this ad account that you want to share it with, it's on the same business, you can do it like this. It's going to be on the drop down menu. But if you want to share it between two ad accounts that are in different business managers, you go to the business settings, to the ad accounts, and you're going to find your ID over here. So if you check the ID over here, the number, and you're going to put it here, you see that it's going to appear the ad account that you want. This is the way that you can share them. After you do that, by the way, if you want to check if someone from your ad account is doing it, don't worry, because you can see here on the sharing that we know with which ad account is being shared and stuff when you're sharing one of your audiences. So do it.
Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Let me know if it's working or not. And you know, it's one of the things that in theory it looks like it should work, but when you implement it, it is just not working. I have tested it with today I find it difficult to talk apparently. I have tested it with several different brands and it's not working. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent, and I would like to know in the comments if you tested it and it worked. Bye.